Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Facebook Lite. To know how to find a solution about Facebook Lite, you should just go to settings. After that, you click apps, default apps, app settings. When you find this list, you will enter to the window of Facebook Lite and you click, here, Facebook Lite. Then you click on force stop and you click OK. After that, you'll enter to the window of storage. Here we click clear cache. And in the end, you can turn off your phone. You can wait a moment to turn on your phone again to fix that problem you have on Facebook Lite. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.